Next point is independence of two events. Definition. If A and B are two events defined on sample space 1, then A and B are said to be independent. If P of A by B is equal to P of A and P of B by A is equal to P of B, then the two events A and B defined on sample space 1 are said to be independent if and only if P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Next, remark. The concept of independence and concept of mutual exclusiveness are not equivalent. Second, two events A and B cannot be independent and mutually exclusive simultaneously. Either P of A is equal to 0 or P of B is equal to 0. Third, event A in sample space 1 and impossible event phi are independent. Fourth, event A and A sample space 1 are independent events. Fifth, if A and B are two independent events defined on sample space 1, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Then if P of A is greater than 0 and P of B is greater than 0, then P of A intersection B is not equal to phi. Hence A and B are not mutually exclusive. Next is the theorem. If A and B are independent events, then show that A and B complement are also independent. A complement and B are also independent, and A complement and B complement are also independent. So proof. Given that A and B are independent events, if A and B are independent events, then P of A intersection, definition of independent, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. This is the equation 1. Write down a diagram. This is the sample space. Two events A and B. This is A, this is B. This is A intersection. This part is a B complement. A intersection of B complement. A intersection B in this A complement intersection B. First condition is A and B dash are also independent. So first condition is P of A intersection B dash is equal to P of A minus P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B कॉम्प्लिमेंट याचा काय घ्यायचा P of P घ्यायचा आहे म्हणजे प्रॉबॅबिलिटी घ्यायची याची ती काय येईल हा पूर्ण P of A मायनस this P of A intersection B. This term is the whole P of A intersection B complement, which is equal to P of A minus from 1 P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. P of A into P of B. Take common P of A, which is 1 minus P of B, and P of A into 1 minus P of B is nothing but P of B complement. So P of A intersection B complement. Therefore, A and B complement are also independent. Next is the A dash and B are also independent. Second, consider P of A dash and B, that is P of A intersection and B are also independent. Then from figure A complement and B. This is the A complement and intersection B, which is equal to this P of B minus P of whole P of B minus this P of A intersection B. म्हणजे हा पूर्ण काय P of B. तर आपल्याला काय काढायचं आहे A कॉम्प्लिमेंट इंटरसेक्शन B, P of A कॉम्प्लिमेंट इंटरसेक्शन B. म्हणजे हा पार्ट पाहिजे. तो पार्ट कसा मिळणार, हा पार्ट मायनस हा पार्ट, म्हणजे P of A कॉम्प्लिमेंट इंटरसेक्शन B इज इक्वल टू P of B minus P of A intersection B from figure, which is equal to P of B, and A and B are independent, so P of A minus P of B, take P of B common, 1 minus P of A, this is 1 minus P of A is P of A dash into P of B, hence A dash and B are also independent. Next is the A dash and B dash are also independent. Then consider third condition, P of A dash intersection B dash. From using De Morgan's law, P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A union B bracket complement, which is equal to 1 minus P of A union B, which is equal to 1 minus P of A union B is what? P of A by addition theorem, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, which is equal to 1 minus P of A plus P of B, and A and B are independent, so instead of P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B, which is equal to 1 minus P of A plus, take here P of B common, P of B into 1 minus P of A, 1 minus P of A plus P of B, 1 minus P of A is, sorry, मल्टिप्लाय दिस मायनस ऑन, म्हणजे हा मायनस ब्रॅकेटच्या मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करायचा, विच इज इक्वल टू मायनस P of A minus P of B into 1 minus P of A. Here 1 minus P of A and 1 minus P of A are common. 1 minus P of A into, this is 1 minus P of B. म्हणजे आपण अशा दोन टर्म घेतल्या, आता ह्या दोन टर्मचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर ते काय भेटणार आपल्याला, हे भेटेल. सो 1 minus P of A is P of A dash into 1 minus P of B is P of B dash. P of A dash intersection B dash. Hence A dash and B dash are also independent.